Rise up and shine, a new day is here. The light of hope is crystal clear. From valleys low to mountains high, we'll spread our wings and touch the sky.
Grace is not a license to sin. It's the power to overcome it. Romans 6:1 says, "What shall we say then? Shall we continue in sin, that grace may abound? God forbid." Too many people use grace as an excuse, but God's grace was never meant to replace His commandments. It was meant to give you time to repent, time to return, time to get it right. Titus 2:11-12 says, "For the grace of God that bringeth salvation hath appeared to all men, teaching us that, denying ungodliness and worldly lusts, we should live soberly, righteously, and godly in this present world." Grace teaches obedience, not rebellion. Grace leads to holiness, not compromise. You cannot say you walk in grace and ignore the Sabbath. You cannot claim to love God and reject His laws. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Let this be a wake-up call to the church, to the lukewarm, to the comfortable. Grace is not the finish line. It's the starting point. The real question is, now that you've been given grace, what will you do with it? Return to the truth. Return to obedience. Return to Him. This is your new beginning.
Rise up, let your spirit soar. Feel the love knock on every door. With faith we move and hearts align. Rise up together, let's intertwine. The seed to grow through trials and pain, it starts